Hi everyone, it's Josh from Mouseware here. Today's video is all about my Model Railway collection video, and today's one is of Hattons, and I only got this one in my collection. I did used to have in the past the 66 in the BR large logo blue livery, and also I did have one of the single packs of the RHTT, but I sold those two in the past and I wish I kept them. But this is the only thing I've actually got from Hattons, and it's quite sad that they no longer around, but they do have they did have some nice stuff like the Genesis coaches, P-Class and all that, but as I said, this is the only model I've got, and I very much like it because it's a nice looking coach. I always wanted one of these because these are really good models, these are. And as I said, this is relatively a short video because this is the only thing I've actually got, so I'll leave the video there, and next month's one is of Heljan. I got plenty of models from Heljan, which mostly are 2 units and 2 locos, so that will be a longer one than this one, so that's that. So if you are new around here, smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell for all notifications, everyone, and also like this video and share this video so everyone will know that I have uploaded my videos. And I will see you all in the next video. See you everyone, bye.